On the ground! On the ground! On the ground!
No helicopters, no filters. Just raw chaos, flying fists, screeching tires, and full-blown panic. These aren't your typical car chases. These are the most brutal police pursuits caught on bodycam. Let's get into it right away.
Hey, Tino, stop that car if he takes off.
Quarter copy 20.
Good.
Boy, we have one taken off. 20 is going to be David.
Starting on January 27, 2024, Juan Valdez was accused of threatening a woman and running the moment cops arrived.
Turn the car off now!
He suddenly circles back to his house and stops like he forgot he just ran from cops. Guns drawn, officers surround him, but Valdez just sits there like he's negotiating peace terms.
I'll be back in front of the Milton Cooperative.
We're taking off again.
Then, out of nowhere, he hits the gas and takes off again like it's round two. Cops scramble to their cars, sirens wailing. The chase is back on.
I'll be westbound Bronx, and we have BJ unit that was 21.
Eventually, two patrol cars box him in. It looks like it's finally over, but he squirms through a gap like a snake on wheels. And just like that, the chase kicks off again.
13, his tire's coming apart.
I'll be higher coming
Across towards the meeting, trying to carjack somebody.
I copy. He's booked in a lane, and there's units covering most of the DMV.
On the highway, his car starts falling apart, panels flipping, the things barely holding together. He pulls over, ditches it, and grabs onto a random car door like he's trying to hitch a getaway ride.
He's trying to carjack a victim vehicle, holding on.
Be trying to contact the victim vehicle. What's the description?
Shut!
The car stops, cops move in. It's tense, loud, and seconds from chaos. Valdez ignores every warning, and when the shots fire, reality hits hard.
Don't move! Sir. Don't move! Ah, bro, why are you shooting? Move forward! Behind your back.
He's on the ground, yelling, and the tone shifts fast. Officers flip him, cuff him, and just like that, the chase finally ends. Cops respond to a call about a man assaulting a woman in the parking lot. They pull up and like clockwork, he carjacks the woman and floors it before they can even say a word.
C.O.P in Indian Lane.
Where'd you go?
Officers swerve from lane to lane, speedometer redlining as they try to keep up. But somehow he vanishes, gone in the chaos, like he just slipped off the map.
I'm behind it! He almost went head on with me! I'm behind it!
Out of nowhere, he shows up again, flying into a U-turn like he owns the road. He nearly clips the officer's car, then pulls a slick move and disappears down the opposite lane. He takes a sharp turn without realizing he's flying. Tires screech, the car drifts, and it's game over. Officers sprint to the wreck, but the twisted metal says it all before they even look. No pulse, no movement. He's declared dead on the spot. Starting with an incident that occurred on June 8, 2024. An officer spots two cars speeding through Upper Marlboro and activates the lights. But both drivers ignore it completely, flying down White House Road like the law doesn't apply. Both cars tear down a narrow double road like it's built just for them. It's reckless, tight, and you can practically feel the crash coming before it even happens.
Person has to be Maryland. Oh, God.
312 Charlie King, Maryland, no records stolen.
It's going to be a Nana. We're right here off of
One car swerves to switch lanes without warning and slams head-on into an oncoming car. The impact is brutal, and what happens next is pure chaos.
It's going to be a Nana. We're right here off of White House Road. He's running.
Copy. What's your call? Are you inside that way?
The officer thinks it's over. Wrecked car, smoke, silence. But suddenly, the suspect jumps out yelling and bolts toward a nearby house like it's not over till he says so.
For
Except for it. Every time it was just traffic only, they weren't stopping.
The driver of the unrelated car didn't make it, declared dead at the scene. The suspect was injured, arrested, and taken to the hospital under tight watch.
Okay.
Start over my passengers now, the ground vehicle still rolling.
On October 12, 2024, two suspects flee in a stolen car the moment officers spot them. They floor it without a second thought, launching into a full-blown high-speed chase.
What's on case the IO2 on portable? Over.
The driver limps forward like it's all part of the plan. The car stops, the officer steps out, and boom! The driver fakes him out and floors it like it's round two. The officer executes a clean pit maneuver and both cars come to a stop, but it's far from over. The suspect jumps out, takes off on foot, and pulls out what looks like an IED. Things just went from wild to explosive.
On the ground! On the ground! On the ground! I got it.
He runs like a man possessed, but the cops run faster. The bomb rolls away, and as they pin him down, he's screaming, "I give up!" Like that erases everything. From flying U-turns to roadside bombs, these chases were pure madness. One bad move and it all unravels fast. Sirens, wrecks, and a pair of cuffs. Got a favorite moment? Drop it in the comments. Crazier chases are coming.